Did you know that yoga just isn't about striking poses or enhancing flexibility? It's a practice that holds surprising benefits beyond physical fitness. Come along as we explore these lesser-known impacts of yoga on the mind, body, and spirit, revealing how this ancient practice can transform your life in ways that you might not even have imagined. The first thing you might observe as your yoga practice progresses is how your posture improves. You start standing a little taller, sitting a little straighter, without even thinking about it. It's not just about looking more confident. Improved posture actually supports better spinal health and reduces strain on your muscles and joints. Another expected benefit: increased energy levels. You might even think that mindful movement and breathing exercises would leave you feeling tired, but yoga does the opposite. It gets your blood flowing, wakes up your muscles, and somehow leaves you more invigorated than before. Moving on, let's talk about sleep. If you've ever struggled with restless nights, you might find that yoga becomes your secret weapon to better sleep. The relaxation techniques, the gentle movement, it all adds up to a more peaceful mind and body when it's time to hit the pillow. Speaking of stress, yoga is like a shield against life's pressures. The breathing exercises and relaxation techniques help activate your body's natural chill-out mode, making it easier to handle whatever comes your way. It's not just that the problems disappear, but your ability to deal with them improves. Yoga is about boosting your body's defenses from the inside out, starting with your mind. These gentle movements and muscle activations stimulate your lymphatic system, helping your body flush out toxins and waste more efficiently. Plus, less stress means less wear and tear on your immune system, leaving you feeling more resilient against colds, flus, and other pesky bugs. It's not just that life suddenly becomes perfect, but your ability to appreciate its beauty and blessings grows stronger. And lastly, let's not forget about the community aspect. Yoga can absolutely be a solo practice, but it can also be a way to connect with others who share your journey. Whether you're chatting with fellow yogis after class or following inspiring instructors online, there's a sense of camaraderie that can be both motivating and comforting. It's not always about the number on the scale or how bendy you can get. It's about feeling stronger, more energized, more confident, and more at peace with yourself and the world around you. That's the real magic of yoga. The way it transforms not just your body, but your entire outlook on life. Yoga invites you to be present, to embrace the moment without judgment or expectation. It encourages self-compassion and self-discovery, offering a sanctuary from the demands of modern life. Whether you're young or old, athletic or not, yoga welcomes you to explore the boundless potential of your body and mind. Pay attention to the unexpected signs like better posture, improved sleep, or a calmer mind. Celebrate these wins as progress on your journey. Before you go, what surprising benefits have you guys noticed from yoga? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this exploration of the unexpected signs your yoga routine is working, don't forget to share it with your friends who might also find it insightful. And for more content like this, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And thank you for joining us on this journey of self-care and discovery through yoga.